Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, so this one wants us to take a look at the function from problem 10, and that function is f of n is equal to f of n divided by 2 plus 1. And so we're going to use this and our master theorem to figure out the big O estimate. And so our master theorem states that if we have f of n being equal to a times f of n over some constant b plus c times n to the power of d, we get a few options for big O estimates, right? So we have that f of n is big O n to d if a is less than b to the power of d. It's going to be equal to O n to the power of d times log n if a is equal to b to the power of d, and then it's going to be big O n to the power of log b of a if a is greater than b to the power of d. So from our function in 10, we get that a is equal to 1. It'd be this constant here. B is going to be equal to 2. And then we get that C is equal to 1 and D is equal to 0. Okay, so if we take this relationship, A is 1, and then B to the power of D is going to be equal to 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So that means we get that A is equal to B to the power of D. So we want to use this big O form, and putting our values in, we'll get that f of n is going to be big O n to the power of d, and d was 0, log n. Okay, well, this ends up just being 1, so it's really just big O log n.